In this video, I'll talk about how many accounts can you have on your YouTube TV. Now the question to this is you can have 6 accounts including yourself, which means you can add 5 extra besides your own account. So obviously the primary account is the one that you logged in with and the one that you signed up for the subscription, and that is going to be the one that is billed. Now you can add up to 5 extra like I said, and you do that by adding it as a family group. Now you can set up the family group right here. Just go into settings, family in YouTube TV. You can do it by clicking on your profile picture up here and go to settings, family, set up the family group, and then you just need to invite everyone up to 5 people. So you invite them by typing in their Google, and then they'll get a message on their email, their Gmail. They're gonna click on it and sign in with their Google account, and then they'll be on your family group. And these will have their own personal DVR library and their own recommendations. And like I said, you can have up to 5 extra. So in total, you can have 6. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.